Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter Trigonometry. Questions and solutions on important concepts. This video's questions are short answer questions from the chapter. The first question is, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. If tan A is equal to root 3, then find the values of first bit sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, and second bit cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. I shall repeat. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. If tan A is equal to root 3, then find the values of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Now let us answer them. Now in order to answer these two bits, first of all take what is given. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 and tan A is equal to root 3. Tan A is equal to root 3. This root 3 in tan is equal to tan 60 degrees. Therefore tan A is equal to tan 60 degrees and A is equal to 60 degrees. In triangle ABC, A is equal to 60 degrees. We got A is equal to 60 degrees just now. And it is given angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Then the third angle is 180 minus sum of these two. 180 minus 150 is 30 degrees. Now let us solve the first bit. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to. Substitute A value 60 degrees and C value 30 degrees. Sin A cos C means sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus cos A sin C means cos 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. Substitute these values. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degrees value is 1 by 2 plus cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2 into sin 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Now let us simplify this. Root 3 into 1 root 3 by 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into root 3 by 2 into 2 4. Root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4 is 2 root 3 by 4 or root 3 by 2. It is the simplified value. Now the second bit is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Again substitute A is equal to 60 degrees and C is equal to 30 degrees. So that this becomes cos A cos C means cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin A sin C means sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. Cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2 into cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now 1 into root 3 is root 3 by 2 into 2 is 4 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3, 2 into 2 is 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Another question. If sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 and where A plus B is greater than 0 degrees but less than or equal to 90 degrees, then find the values of A and B. I shall repeat. If sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, where the value of A plus B is greater than 0 degrees but less than or equal to 90 degrees, then find the values of A and B. Let us see the solution. We have given two equations here. This is the first equation and it is the second equation. Let us consider sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 in sin is equal to sin 30 degrees. Therefore, sin A minus B is equal to sin 30 or A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees is first equation. And cos A plus B is 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 in cos is equal to cos 60 degrees. Therefore, cos A plus B is equal to cos 60 degrees, that is A plus B is equal to 60 degrees is second equation. By adding equation 1 and 2, let us add both LHS. A plus A is to A, minus B and plus B will be get cancelled, is equal to 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees. and A is equal to 90 degrees divided by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. By substituting A is equal to 45 degrees in equation 2, in the second equation, A plus B is 60. Now substitute A is equal to 45 degrees. 45 degrees plus B is equal to 60 degrees, so that B is equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 15 degrees. Therefore, A value is 45 degrees and B value is 15 degrees. This is the third question. If tan A is equal to cot A minus 18 degrees, where 2A is an acute angle, find the value of A. I shall repeat. If tan 2A is equal to cot A minus 18 degrees, where 2A is an acute angle, find the value of A. Here is the solution. We know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. This is the law of trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. But in the place of theta we have 2A here. Therefore, tan 2A is equal to cot 90 degrees minus, in the place of theta you substitute 2A there also. That is tan 2A is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 2A. Now what is given? The given equation is tan 2A is equal to cot A minus 18 degrees. But we just get that tan 2A is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 2A. Therefore, substitute tan 2A as cot 90 degrees minus 2A is equal to cot A minus 18 degrees. On both sides we can find the same trigonometrical ratio. Therefore, cancel it. Then 90 degrees minus 2A is equal to A minus 18. Or minus 2A this side is A plus 2A is 90 degrees plus 18 degrees. Therefore, 3A is equal to 90 plus 18 is 108 degrees and A is equal to 108 by 3 is 36 degrees. Therefore, the value of A is 36 degrees. Another question now. A chord of a circle of radius 6 cm is making an angle 60 degrees at the center of the circle. Find the length of the chord. I shall repeat. A chord of a circle of radius 6 cm is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the chord. Let us draw the diagram first of all. Here is a circle with a center and there is a chord. There is a chord AB. This chord AB makes 60 degrees. This chord AB makes 60 degrees at the center of the circle. This is the 60 degrees. And OA is the radius and OB is the radius. In the question itself it is given that the radius of the circle is 6 centimeters. Therefore, OA is equal to 6 centimeters and OB is equal to 6 centimeters. Now what to find? We have to find the length of the chord. We have to find AB length. In order to get it, let us drop a perpendicular from O onto the chord AB. OC is a perpendicular drawn onto AB. Okay, this is the circular center and AB is the chord. This chord makes 60 degrees at the center and the radius of the circle OA is equal to OB is equal to 6 centimeters. Now in order to solve this, we have drawn a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord. We know that the perpendicular drawn from center of a circle to a chord should bisect the chord, that is AC is equal to CB, of course. Now let us take this right triangle OAC. OAC is a right triangle in which angle O in this triangle total angle is 60 degrees. Therefore, this is 30 degrees and this is 30 degrees. Therefore, angle AOC is equal to 30 degrees and OA is equal to 6 centimeters. From this right triangle, let us find out AC value first of all. Here is the solution. First, the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle made by the chord at the center. Angle made by the chord AB at the center of the circle is 60 degrees. Now take this triangle OAC. From the triangle OAC, OA is equal to 6 centimeters, angle C is equal to 90 degrees and angle O is equal to 30 degrees. Now, From this right triangle, for this known angle, of course we know the hypotenuse and we have to find the opposite side. For 30 degrees we have to find the opposite side and we know the hypotenuse. Therefore consider a trigonometrical ratio which is having the relation between opposite side and hypotenuse. Okay, therefore go for sin theta. Sin 30 degrees is equal to opposite side to 30 degrees by hypotenuse. For 30 degrees, opposite side is AC and hypotenuse is OA, which is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, we know that sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2 is equal to opposite side to 30 is AC by hypotenuse is 6. That is AC is equal to, take this 6 other side, it is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means 2 in 6, 3 times. Therefore, AC is equal to 3 centimeters. AC is 3 and BC is also 3. Why? Because this OC is perpendicular drawn onto the chord. Perpendicular from the center of a circle should always bisect the chord. Therefore, the length of the chord AB is equal to 2 times of AC, that is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6 centimeters. Thank you one and all.